Noisy bird this morning. Yeah. All right, this is the side of the condo I'm staying in. That's the Gulf of Mexico right there. This is the intercoastal on one of the fingers to the island. We got a boat coming in right there. Look at the sun, beautiful sunrise. It's about 56 degrees out. All right, it's about 8:30 in the morning. I'm on Treasure Island, Paradise Island, Florida. This is the Gulf of Mexico. A little chilly this morning, but it will get into the 70s today and tomorrow, but low 70s. So the next 2 days will be a little bit cooler than the rest of this week, which should be get up in the 80s or so. But just took a 1-minute stroll from the condo down to the beach here. Easy walk. This is really a chillaxing place. Clearwater Beach is right down there. That's where I stayed in 1988. Yeah, could be a nice day. It'll be bright. The air is not humid. It's surprisingly really refreshing right now. We had a little rain last night. Alright, so I'm standing on the back patio of the condo I'm staying at. Check this out. This is one of the waterways right here. And right over there is a bar. They play music. And it's like having a freaking concert in your backyard. You know, they're hooping and hollering, but there's some really good bands play right out there. But look at this view. This is at night. And boats go all day in through here. There's like a little sand beach area where you can walk with a walkway right there. Pretty sexy. Pretty sexy. And then the other side of the condo is the Gulf of Mexico.